From my book, Poems to Mary Helen, a strong wind at Coppermine. There must be a strong wind at Coppermine. Many trees are down. And with these words, her spirit crossed the line that borders the unknown. She spoke as she lay dying, miles away from forest haunts we knew. The drugs now held her mind within their sway, in moments brief and few. She asked me often where her blessings were, the flowers Mother gave, in packets filled with force that entered her to help protect and save the souls of those who believe that love divine shall triumph over death. Their lives of solemn offering, the sign beyond the final breath. I placed the blessing packets on her chest, invoking the Lord's peace, a child of God, preparing now her rest, whose love shall never cease to comfort me. And though her smile is gone, such tenderness remains. Her spirit urges me to carry on the spiritual gains. Our soul's communion helped us to achieve, proceeding towards her feet, and all attachment to the past unweave, attain to heaven's seat, and then towards the evening of my days, surrender all my life. For we shall meet again in mystic blaze, disciple, friend.